Okay. Okay. Hi guys, today we are playing I don't know I don't know I don't know to play Tokabuka. I am just get me out. This is Tokaboka. I am so excited that I don't know that this game is a yes. And this is just start. So I'm so excited. But my brother is watching TV. My brother. I am just living and wait for loading Tokaboka loading. So come up. Please come up. Come. I just charged my phone. Yes! My Tokaboka avatar is free gift. My avatar Tokaboka is sorry guys, I am not rich, but I have a house. That's okay. I have one house. I have no money to get the many house in there. This dog is cute. This one. This dog. So okay. This is my house. This is my avatar in Tokaboka. And so you guys know this is my house, right? And this is my friend, and this is the YouTuber I subscribe. We became friends. So bro, this volume is too high. But wait lang. Sorry. Ano ako, wait lang.